Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 18th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the US dollar yen, that is, I think it's potentially going to go up and take out the previous high, which is up here. This morning I was talking about how it likely is a WXYXZ, which means we're probably in a wave Z right now. Very complex pattern on the daily time frame, but I definitely think that's what it is. So if that's true, that means that anything we see to the downside probably is just a pullback to the last wave up. That's why I have only my Fibonacci on just this last wave up. Because if the market is going to continue to trend, then this should just be a pullback to the last wave. It should go down to a Fibonacci level, perhaps in a three-wave pattern, maybe better seen on a little bit of a shorter time frame. Three waves down, engulfing up at a Fibonacci level is exactly what I would be looking for more entries to go long. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.